And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create another landscape here. I have a few of these, so I'm not sure which one is going to go up first, but this one I started off with a little basic drawing here. There's just the mountain range, and I'm going to leave it like this for a minute, so if you want to do your own sketch and follow along, you can. Or you can take a screenshot, do your drawing, and then come back to the video. I left it really basic though. Again, just a couple mountains here and the squiggles that you see and some shapes. I'm going to go in, I put these here as guidelines so I know where to put my shadows. So again, just a regular pencil. And then right before I get started, I'm going to lighten them with the kneaded eraser. And for paint, I'm going to go ahead and use this is my White Nights, because I have a bunch of really nice blues and greens, especially for the really pretty Aurora Borealis landscapes. These colors look really nice, like a purplish blue. This one's more like a greenish viridian, indigo, like a Prussian. This one's that Indanthrone. So a bunch of different blues here, some turquoise, and even a bright green if you have one. And we'll see how it goes. Maybe even some purple, and the rose is really pretty, like a quinacridone and a rose. So we'll see how it goes there. And let's see. First, I'm going to start off with the background first. Let's see, because it's a nighttime scene. I think I'm going to go in with this deep, like purplish blue. I think in the White Nights it's called Blue Lake. I guess I'm going to use my Princeton Neptune brush, and this one is a size 8. And these are my guidelines because I want it dark on the sides, and then we'll fade it out and it's going to be light up and through the middle. And I'm not going to use a whole lot of water, like with the wet on wet technique, because I want this to be dark. So a little less is more with the water here. And then we can start to add the water and drag it out a little bit and let it spread. Let's see, I'm going to add a little turquoise in there. I think I'm going to sneak in a little bit of the rose. have a brighter turquoise I'm going to use. edges. This one. And then just using the water that's on my brush to feather out your edges. Here. And the shadows down here, I think I'm going to use indigo. And I'm going to switch to my Jackson Studio brush. This one is a size 6 and the point is a little bit better on this one. The tip. It's a little bit too close, so I am going to have to slip some black in there. And I would recommend using, like I said, a pointy brush for this because you want variation in your lines. So if you want a little thick and then back up to the skinny, that'll save you some time. And next up, you can use either white gouache or white paint and get your toothbrush. And we're going to do some spattering. One last thing, if you're looking for a little bit more details, I think I would, let's see here. You can use, if you have some watercolor brush pens or a black Sharpie, because I think the only thing I'm going to do is maybe just like a little bit more definition in these mountains. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.